Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Right now I have this HUAWEI FreeBuds 3 for review. So without further ado, let me do a simple unboxing. Okay, let's open up. Okay, let me pull this out first. So this is the casing, which is smaller than I expected. We'll talk about this later. This is the cables. This is a USB-C cable. So let's continue to look at the real stuff. So this is the FreeBuds 3. Okay, there's a sticker on top. Removing it. Over here, removing it. Yes, this is the one. Oh, it's longer than I expected. Show you. So I'll be testing it out later, and I will do another review on it after I test out. So right now, that's it for the unboxing.